Hello children, it's Archana ma'am here. It is time to learn about a new letter. And today's letter is letter B. Children, this is capital cursive B. And this is lowercase cursive b. Look at this. This is letter B in print form. And the sound that letter B makes is B. B. In today's video, we will learn the sound of letter B. And we will also learn the associated vocabulary of letter B through an interactive storytelling method. We will consolidate the vocabulary through activities. Hello kids, my name is Benny, Benny, and I am a bear, a big bear. My favorite color is blue, blue. And I love to play with blocks, blocks. Today, I want to play a game with you. Will you play with me? The name of the game is Guess What's Behind My Back. Behind, back. I will hold few things behind my back that begins with the B sound. B sound. You will have to guess what it is. I will tell you something about those things to help you guess. So are you ready? Let's begin. Begin. When you play cricket, you hit the ball with it. Ball. What do you hit a ball with when you play cricket? Yes, it's a bat. Bat. Now, I have something tasty for you. It is a yummy treat that you eat in McDonald's. What do we get at McDonald's that begin with a B sound? Very good. It is a burger. Burger. Doesn't it look yummy? Behind my back is a thing that has got two wheels, one seat and a handle. You paddle to ride it. Can you guess? A thing which has got two wheels, a seat and a handle, two paddles to paddle and ride. Very good. It is your bicycle. Bicycle. Behind my back is someone who has a beak, beak, and two wings to fly up high in the sky. And it lives in a nest. Can you guess? Superb! It is a bird. Bird. A bird has got a beak, two wings, and its home is called a nest. Can you think of a thing that begins with the B sound? It has a cover and many pages inside it. And you can read stories in it. Can you tell me what is it? Well done. It is a book. Book. A book has got a cover and many pages in it. Very good, children. Now, to guess what is behind my back, you will have to listen to this sound carefully. Are you ready? Can you guess the sound? Awesome! It is a bell. It is a bell. Now, I am hiding something behind my back, which when I fill it with air, it becomes big, big. And I tie it with a thread or a string, and I use this to decorate my house on my birthday. Birthday. Something that becomes big when I blow air in it. Yes, it's the balloon. Balloon. Now, what is hiding behind my back? It is a yellow fruit, which my friend monkeys love to eat. And I have to peel it to eat it. A fruit which monkeys love to eat. You must have guessed it by now. Excellent! Banana. Monkeys love to eat bananas. Big bear hug for you all. Well done. Hey children, it's now time to revise all the B words that you just saw were hiding behind my back. So are you ready for the revision? Okay, here we go. What is hiding behind my back? Behind my back, behind my back. What is hiding behind my back? Starting with the B sound. Bat. Bicycle. Bird. Book. Let us sing again. What is hiding behind my back? Behind my back, behind my back. What is hiding behind my back? Starting with the B sound. Bell. Balloon. Banana. Burger. Well done, kids. Activity time. The name of the activity is Blue bubble bear. Children, do you remember that our Benny Bear's favorite color was blue? So today we are going to make a blue bear, a blue bubble bear. You require white paper, a bowl of water, blue paint or ujala, the blue that Mama uses, and dish soap, straw, markers, crayons, googly eyes or button, any decorative item that you have at home. Now, ask Mama or Papa to draw a bear outline on the sheet of paper like this. Then add some blue paint or ujala and a drop of dish soap into the bowl of water. Now use a straw to blow bubbles into the soapy paint. Dear parents, I request you to kindly do this for the children. The child may by mistake take the soapy water inside their mouth, so it is preferred and advised that the parent, either Mama or Papa or any other adult, must blow the bubbles with the straw. Now children, once Mama Papa has blown the bubbles, you will see the bubbles rising up from the bowl. And when they rise up, quickly take your bear sheet and flip it over and lay it on the bubbles. And then flip it back and see how the bubbles have made a mark on the bear. Then let it dry and decorate your blue bear with googly eyes, or you can make eyes with markers or crayons. You can use buttons to make its shirt or pom-poms or make a design for the shirt. Decorate it any way you like and enjoy doing this activity. Activity 2. Balance beam. Beam. So you have to ask Mama or Papa to tape a long strip of tape, or if you do not have a tape, you can draw a straight line with a chalk or crayon on the floor. Now you have to walk on the straight line. Balance yourself, okay, by walking and placing one foot at a time. Now as you put your foot, you have to say aloud one word that begins with the B sound. For example, when I place one foot on the line, I say balloon. I'm placing another foot in front of that one and I say bag. Another foot, bear. Another foot, balloon. So I keep saying the words as I walk on my line. Do this activity, enjoy yourself, balancing on the line, and remember to share your photos and videos with Archana ma'am. I am waiting so eagerly to view all your photos. Till then, take care, enjoy yourself, and have fun. Bye-bye.